How to block user on Bluesky. So first of all, you have to access the user profile. For example, let's say just for example, this is a profile I want to block, right? So click on the avatar or the username of the person you wish to block. Right, now this will take you to the profile page as you can see over your screen. Now next to the follow button, right, there's a three dots. You will see three dots, click on it and open our drop down menu. Now here we have this option of block account. Now click on block and again click on block. Now once I go and once the account is blocked, you can see you can't see or view any of the posts of this person, right? Neither any kind of videos, replies, list, nothing, not even their profile picture. And if I just let me just copy this username and let me search for it. So it shows, but as you can see here, nothing is there. Instead of follow button, you will able to identify unblock. So once I unblock this account, then only I will able to view this everything. In fact, this person will not able to see my any of my posts, any of my videos, nothing, right? And even this person search over on the on the Bluesky, this person will able to see the same thing, blur images, blur profile picture and nothing, right? So this is how you can block a user on Bluesky.